We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit, said by Aristotle. Yes, my dear friends, you got it right. Today we're going to talk about the importance of habits and how habits can help us lead the life we always dreamt of for ourselves. Because the habits are linked with our actions. Yes, the things that we do in every single day, in every minute, everything counts. So when we talk about actions, they are directly linked with our habits. And now let us dwell about actions. ये कहाँ से होते हैं, ये कैसे शुरू होते हैं, जो भी हम करते हैं क्यों करते हैं, ये हमारे दिमाग की उपज होते हैं. Because actions are directly linked with our thoughts, the way we think, the energy that we produce ourselves, produce to our brain, and then brain actually helps function the body. So our actions are based on our thoughts, and our thoughts are based on the way we condition our mind. हम अपने इस माइंड को चाहे तो कूड़ाघर बना ले, चाहे तो नेगेटिविटी को पाल के इतनी सारी चीज़ें डंप कर ले that we keep on having the same monotonous life. Or at the same time, we may take charge of our lives, we may take charge of our thoughts, of our mind by putting it with positive affirmations, by filling it up with positive things. So if you would like to be a creator of your life, the master of your life, then you should definitely reverse this vicious cycle. How you can reverse it? You may start conditioning your brain with positive affirmations. And over a period of time, when this mind will be conditioned with positive things, it will start producing positive thoughts. And the moment it will start producing positive thoughts, it will reflect automatically in your actions, whatever you do. And the moment your actions will be louder, the moment your actions will speak more than your words, over a period of time it will become your habit. So eventually you will end up with good habits. And that's what is the need of the hour. If you would like to be a successful person in every aspect, in every walk of life, definitely you must possess good habits. Now the second question, how to develop good habits? Because it's not a cakewalk. It's a very tough nut to crack, but it is doable. So if you be determined in your mind that yes, I need to pick up good habits and remove the bad ones, then there are certain steps you can follow to attain what you really want for yourselves. So step number 1 is take a 30-day challenge. Just 30 days, just a month's time. And at the same time, when you will take up that challenge, just record it somewhere. Just put it up on a piece of paper. And at a time, just focus on one particular habit. For example, if you would like to be a good reader, if you would like to establish yourselves in the field of academics or education, then you may develop good reading habits. That's an essential skill for yourselves. And for developing that particular habit, आप जब एक challenge ले लोगे कि मुझे 30 days तक इसको करना है और इसको एक piece of paper पे note down कर लोगे, you are one step ahead. Then the next step is, when you put it up on a piece of paper, mention very clearly your motivation behind that. Why would you like to opt that particular habit? Why it is important to you? And what kind of obstacles you may face in going further with your journey and how you will overcome them. So all these things, when it will be put it on a piece of paper, it will be a kind of reflector to you every single day. तो जब आप किताब पढ़ रहे होंगे, आपने एक डिटरमाइन किया है कि मुझे एक महीने में 3 किताबें ख़त्म करनी है, so it will automatically give you a signal कि ये करना है, this is essential, this is my priority, I have to do it, no matter what obstacles would come. And then comes the next step. Announce it publicly. Yes, it is a bit challenging. Why? Because the moment you will announce it publicly, your friends and family will take a grip on you. They will have an eagle eye on you, whether you are doing it or not. or you were just talking about it and doing nothing. So आप एक eagle eye भी अपने ऊपर बना लेते हैं, which is good for you, which is good for pushing yourself up, giving you a different kind of motivation to prove them that yes, I live my words. So over a period of time, when you will register your daily progress at a particular space, be it a diary or somewhere, then you will realize that अगर आपने 30 दिन में 20 दिन में बुक पढ़ी, हालांकि आपका एजेंडा 30 दिन का था, बट कुछ ऑब्स्टिकल्स आए, यू कुड नॉट डू इट फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ 10 days, still you are able to complete 2 books. So after a month's time, you will realize that at least 2 books you could complete. So you have attained one step ahead, like one milestone you have already attained for yourself. And then the next step is reward every little success, no matter big or small. If you have moved up a step ahead, just reward yourself. How you can do that? ये हर इंसान का अलग होता है. If you ask me, since I'm a workaholic person, if I meet my deadlines, if I'm able to achieve my short milestones, how do I reward myself? I go for a complete 24 hours switch off mode. When I don't pick up any call, either I am lazy or else I am speaking to my my family members or whatever I want to do in isolation. I'll do that. That works magic to me. So maybe for you or somebody else, meeting with friends could be a magic, a kind of reward, or maybe for some of you an adventurous trip to somewhere could be a reward for you. So whatever works for you, do it your way. This is how you will be able to move up from where you stand right now. Now, what kind of habits we must possess to be more successful in our lives? Yes, let us talk about it. That's very, very important. If you want to be successful, number one thing is develop positive thinking. The more positive you will be, the more clarity you will have for your future. You will be more focused towards things. You will be accepting the challenges in your in your every walk of life. You will not consider it as a challenge, rather you will consider those challenges as an opportunity. So developing positive thinking is the essential thing. Then second thing is exercise. Not only the physical exercise but also the mental exercise. किसी को योगा सूट करता है, किसी को कोई ट्रिप सूट करता है कहीं जाना, किसी ऐसे इंसान से मिलना जिससे मिलकर सारी प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसा लगता है ख़त्म हो गई हैं. कुछ लोग किसी से घंटों फ़ोन पर बात करके रिलैक्स फील करते हैं. सो वट एवर वर्क्स फॉर योर फिजिकल एंड मेंटल हेल्थ, डू दैट. For physical health, we may practice exercise, whatever suits our body types. And for mental health, we may go for yoga or whatever things we have discussed, like meeting a person or speaking with a person or visiting a scenic spot or whatever. Then the third thing is eliminate the non-essentials from your life. Just prioritize your life, because this life is just once. You will not have a second chance to relive this. So whatever you are living right now in this present moment, make it worth. So if you will keep on practicing these things, your life will start changing. You will see magic happening in your lives, and that will give you a kind of magic wand in your hand, and you will be the master of yourselves. You will be the creator of yourself. So with that note, I wish you good luck. I hope all of you would try this, and will get back to me with your positive comments later on. Take care. Bye-bye.